Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I have the 3-quart Oster Fondue pot. If you're like me, man, fondue's the best, man. I love cheese, I like chocolate, and I like the oil one too. So I'm making fondue a lot, and I was making it a lot in my house in Plano, but I needed something here in Florida too. So I only have one here. I've got like 3 of them there, but I'll probably end up getting some more. So let's open this thing up and see how it looks. And this is the Oster one. And I'm gonna put a link to this one in the description. I actually tried to order it a couple times, and I don't know what happened with the shipping, but it didn't make it. So Amazon refunded me, and then I had to reorder. So this is like the third time I had to try this thing to finally get it. So this is what it looks like here. I'm gonna open it up. And this is the same kind I have back in Plano too, so it works out nice. That's why I got this one. Also, it was the least expensive one. There's some of these ones that are like $150, but I mean, all I'm doing is heating up my oil and cheese. And what I like to do is I do a few different kinds, but sometimes I'll just put a whole bunch of cheese. Sometimes I'll put like wine, like white wine in there with the cheese. I'm gonna move this down a little bit so you can see. Do like white wine with the cheese and or milk or something like that, and it's just great. And then I dip apples into the cheese. I dip bread into the cheese. I dip apples, bread. Boy, I don't even know what else. But then like in a chocolate, I'll get bananas and grapes and oh man, it's just so good. Okay, so let's see what we got here. This is the splatter lid, I guess. I mean, you can put your the forks. This one has got a white inside. My other ones don't have a white inside. So let's see. So this is what it looks like. And so it kind of goes on top like that. And the way they have them now is, you see, like there's this, this is the heating element, but it kind of connects up with magnets. Like back in the old days, it would just be, you put the heating magnet in and then it's wired up to the wall, and that's just the way it is. But now they have this little snap-on thing here. So if for some reason it falls or something like that, you're not gonna burn your house down. So it just goes like that. So it goes like that. It stays on okay. I mean, you have it on a table, so it's not that big of a deal. But that's how it kind of works. So you can kind of pull it off if you need to. If you need to just quickly take it off, versus pulling this thing out and having this super burning hot little cookie thing. So that's that, and it's got the little rotating temperature on it, which is kind of funny. It's right under the handle. Doesn't seem to line up very smart. But there's that. And then this one here, it's a full set, so it came with a bunch of these little forks. So how many forks did we get? Let's find out. Excuse me. So we got 8 forks. So we got 4 and 4, and then you have the different color tips on there. So you have, looks like 2, I don't know. Are they all different colors? Oh man, this is gonna be a nightmare for me. But you see, I think they're all different colors. So you can always probably buy a second set, so each person has like 2, or give them out like, so these 2 colors look the same. These 2 colors look the same. You know, you could divvy them up like that, and then the 2 whites and these two don't look alike, but all the other ones look the same to me. But I'm colorblind, so for me this would be like perfect, because then you have 2, 2, 2, and 2. But you kind of pick them up like that, and it's got the little forky things with the little prongs on it, and it seems as good as anybody's. I know I've gone through lots of these little forks, and you can buy these things separate because they do get rusted after a while, especially when you're just sitting there cooking them in oil and whatnot. But I mean, that's really all there is to a fondue pot. So you got the fondue pot, and then you've got the little forks, and then this one here, because it's got, so if you're cooking oil or something like that you need to keep it in there for a while for, that's what these little places, the little holders are for. So, but if you're just doing like cheese or chocolate or something where you just dip it in and eat it right away, you don't even need this on there. All it's gonna do is get in the way. So that's it. And also like in my chocolate one, so my cheese one, I'll just put, you know, whatever kind of cheese. I like a lot of cheddar cheese, sometimes Gruyere and Swiss, and all these different types of cheeses in there. So I'll do lots of cheese, and sometimes I'll put some wine in that too, or milk. And then in chocolate, I'll put wine in that one too. I'll put wine in everything, but sometimes I'll put chocolate and I'll put wine. And sometimes I'll just put like milk just to thin it up, because you don't want it to be super duper thick. But I'll just put in a bag of milk chocolate chips and milk, and really that's pretty much it. And then I'll dip like pound cake and just all sorts of anything that sounds like it would be good with chocolate in there. And then for the oil, I'll just get like some breadcrumbs or any kind of breading mix and do like chicken pieces or shrimp or vegetables or any of that stuff to fry up. So that's kind of it. So that's how I make my fondue. But I'm just excited to give it a try here. I need to have some company over so I can make some fondue at some point. But that's it. This is the Oster pot, and it's the 3-quart one. It's the pretty much the standard size for fondue pots, I think. Granted, you're not gonna put 3 quarts worth of cheese in here or anything unless you're gonna have a million people, because but it's great, and I love these things. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and the link for this is in the description. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.